personally.
Seen the first episode of Muck and Brass. Well, episode 2 is tonight, and let's see how that tough-talking businessman gets on. Back now to the comedy, and whatever you do, stand still, don't rock the boat.
First, there was water. Then, there was fire. Then, PG Tips created an even better cup of tea. They've searched the universe for a better blend for their tea bags. And the bags themselves have been specially designed to let all the flavour of the new blend flow through. PG Tips' new Flavour Flow tea bags for one of the best tasting cups of tea ever created.
Only our prices are like other holidays. Thomas Cook Holidays, from good travel agents everywhere.
There's a much better way to get to France free this summer. You can win a free trip for your family and car only with P&O Ferries. Get the brochure now.
There's a place near you where they know about money. They'll help you save without fuss or formality. They can help you buy your own home. Help you invest for extra monthly income. It's not a bank. It's Nationwide Building Society. You can pay in or draw out what you like, even on Saturday mornings. You can invest to make the most of a lump sum, or you can save on a regular basis. At Nationwide, you can choose the way you want to save, with all the security of one of Britain's biggest building societies. Come in and see us. It pays to decide. Nationwide.
Now there is Ultra Bright toothpaste. For a smile so ultra white, ultra fresh, it gets you noticed.
Right, now switch off these television sets and watch my travelogue. Operator!
Whoops, that's me, walking, or rather fell walking, in England's North Country. Naturally, I took a guide. Ah, rolling hills, how serene. Sorry, I'm rambling. Bed and board for around £6 with breakfast thrown in. People are so genuine, definitely genuine. Plenty of kids sport up north. Luckily, I had my sea legs with me. He's making sure the coast is clear, and it is so peaceful. Turn that off! No, it's Sandy Shore. The English tourist board say there's 400 miles of sandy shore round the North Country.
Well, to win that special prize of a vintage Rolls Royce, you have to be top of the world. Another round of this popular quiz next on Thames.
Red Mountain isn't like regular coffee. Regular coffee doesn't even come close. Because Red Mountain is chips of coffee. Solid, freeze-dried chips of real coffee. Richer roasted for a bigger taste. Right in your cup.
I wanted a holiday for all the family. That's why Scotland's for me.
And me too.
Make Scotland your first choice for a fun-filled, carefree holiday.
Scotland's for me. And for me. Scotland's for me. Scotland's for me. For me too.
Scotland's for me. For your free holiday brochures, ring this number now or see press for details.
Sorry, pull up, pull up.
After a day like this, when you've got a headache and everything seems to work against you, you want fast, powerful relief from something that understands your headache. Something made for headache pain. Something that won't upset your stomach.
We want football.
You want Headaches. As the name tells you, Headaches is made to give you fast, powerful relief from your headache.
Hello, darling. Had a good day?
Headaches understands your headache.
It's not surprising we've grown to be one of the biggest and most successful holiday companies, because we like to make sure that every single day of your holiday is the kind of holiday you want it to be. Perhaps that's why more and more people choose a Horizon holiday every year. Horizon, we're as close as your nearest travel agent.
Most faces get invaded by spots from time to time. Topex fights face invaders, killing bacteria inside, helping heal the affected area outside. In 5 days...